Did you know that the first ever leather bag was inspired by a horse saddle? Or that the most expensive bag in the world costs around 3 million euros? If you love bags as much as I do, you'll enjoy these fun facts about bag making that I'm going to share with you in this video. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel where I talk about all things related to bags. I'm going to tell you some interesting facts about bag making that you probably didn't know before. Here are some of the facts I found on the web. The Bible makes Judas Iscariot the first ever person to own a bag in history. According to John 12:16, Judas was in charge of the money bag that Jesus and his disciples used for their expenses. He was also known for stealing from it. Some scholars believed that Judas's bag was actually a pouch or purse that he wore around his neck. The first ever leather bag was made in 1841 by London's H.J. Cave. He used durable leather to manufacture resistant handbags. You can now see these bags at Amsterdam Handbag Museum and enjoy the trip to the past. The first ever unisex bag was made in 1985 by Miuccia Prada. It was a black knapsack made of nylon and is still a classic trend. The most expensive bag ever made is a heart-shaped copy of 18-karat gold and is covered with 4,517 diamonds. It costs around 3 million euros and has the name Muawad 1001 Nights diamond purse. The first ever handbag with a zipper was introduced by Hermes in 1923. Before this, they usually came with drawstrings. The handbag of the average Dutch woman weighs 2.4 kilos. What is she carrying? A few years ago, this was even more because many women then carried heavier equipment with them. But with the arrival of the smartphone and light laptops, the weight has dropped. A woman spends about 76 days of her life searching in her handbag. On average, there are 15 different articles in the bag. The top 5 items in the handbag are keys, wallet, cell phone, handkerchiefs, and pens. A feng shui saying goes like this: a purse on the floor is money out the door. Rumors say that by year end, all unsold products are burned by Louis Vuitton. The brand believes that selling bags at a lower or discounted price can diminish their image. So those were some fun facts about bag making that I hope you enjoyed learning about. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below telling me which fact surprised you the most. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.